This is quite possibly the dirtiest rug I've ever had in here to clean. It's actually a machine woven rug, most likely a Crossley Axminster, which is the precursor to our modern carpets. Now, Crossley Axminsters were made to look like hand woven Iranian carpets, but these were made by machine, and this rug could be about 100 to 120 years old. So theoretically speaking, it's actually an antique. A byproduct of the industrial age, these carpets are pretty amazing for what they represent. Now, judging by the soil level in this rug, it's most likely never been cleaned in its entire existence. But we're going to change that, and I'm going to bring you guys on a journey showing you how we're actually cleaning it from start to finish and restoring and transforming the rug. Now, in my estimation, this rug is probably going to take about 15 hours or so to clean. I'm going to speed the process up. Not going to be much talking in this video, and it's not a cleaning tutorial, though I will be putting in text exactly what I'm doing and what steps I'm taking along the way. During the video, I'm going to vacuum the rug, then I'm going to use our special rug beating equipment, which means I'm going to turn the rug on its face and beat the dust out of the rug to get it out of the deeper depths of the construction and pile. In other words, the backing of the rug where all that dirt over the years has gone down to the base fibres, and we're going to get all of that out. After that, we're actually going to test all of the dies to make sure they're stable, make sure the construction is fundamentally sound because we don't want to damage the rug, and then we're going to wash it. Now, I'm not washing the rug in a wash pit. Why am I not doing that? Given that this is a machine-made rug and its construction is so tight at the back, if I wash this rug in a rug pit, I would put far too much strain on it, could warp and irreparably damage the rug, which is exactly the opposite of what we want to do. I'm not going to be talking too much through this video. Instead, I'm going to let you guys sit back and enjoy the transformation. This is Carl from Cleaning How To, and this is how we restore an antique rug. This is what 120 years of grit looks like coming out the back of a rug. So we are now, believe it or not, 12 man hours on this. I wasn't on for the entire back dust. We actually stopped recording because it just kept going and going and going. Myself and Garrett, who's in the video with me, have been working on this since 12 o'clock today, and it is now 7:30. So 7.5 hours with two of us on and off it. I'm calculating it to be about 12 man hours of work so far. And what have we achieved? Well, believe it or not, this is 7 kilograms of grit, soil, dust, and predominantly, you'll notice that it was very black, soot. We actually fast forwarded a little bit, and it wasn't 7 kilos of dry dust soil, it was 10 kilos of dry dust soil that we pulled out of the rug, and this is it transferred from the bags into a bucket, which is absolutely incredible. So the rug is 120 years old, thereabouts, and has been sitting in a room with an open fire for probably that entire period. And over the years, soot has basically come out from the fireplace and accumulated in the rug. We know it's soot because you may have seen me hand testing the dirt every once in a while to see the consistency. The black dust disintegrated and was oily in my hand, so it is soot. So we've got about another 4 hours to go. What we're going to do is pre-spray the rug, agitate it. Actually, I tell a lie, what we're going to do is vacuum the rug on its face one more time, pre-spray the rug, agitate it, and then extract it. So I'm basically going to shut up and let you guys watch that. So, since the rinse extraction part of the video, it's actually 2 weeks later because we had to let this rug dry in between each rinse because it just kept releasing the soil. 20 hours have gone into the cleaning of this rug at this point. Actually, it's probably closer to 22, 23. I just had to stop clock watching because it was driving me a little bit crazy. So, the rug looks absolutely transformed, as you can see. The colors are bright and vibrant and it's back looking happy again. And this 120-year-old has another 50 years of fight left in it. And as always, it's on to the next video now, which is this beautiful Keelan behind me on the racks, which is from Gregan's Castle, Ballyvaughan in County Clare in the west of Ireland. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Thanks for watching.